The charm of rendezvous, exploring meetings in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a fascinating phrase that bridges languages and cultures: rendezvous, meeting. This term, with its air of mystery and romance, carries more than just the idea of meeting someone. Let's unravel the charm and usage of rendezvous together, ensuring you can use it confidently in your English conversations. A rendezvous is a term borrowed from French, where it literally means present yourselves, or present yourselves again. In English, it refers to a pre-arranged meeting at a specific time and place. Unlike a casual meeting, a rendezvous often carries connotations of privacy, secrecy, or romance. It's not just about meeting someone, it's about the anticipation and the special nature of the meeting. Whether it's spies exchanging secret information or lovers meeting in a secluded spot, a rendezvous is always an event with a touch of excitement. Rendezvous can be used as both a noun and a verb, which makes it versatile in sentences. Here are a few examples to guide you. As a noun, they had a secret rendezvous by the lake under the moonlight. As a verb, let's rendezvous at the cafe on 5th Street at noon. When using rendezvous, it's important to convey the context that makes this meeting different from an ordinary one. It's the special circumstances, the chosen location, and the anticipation that define a rendezvous. The term rendezvous is not just a way to describe a meeting. It carries with it a cultural richness and a hint of adventure. It's often used in literature and movies to set the scene for a dramatic or crucial encounter. Understanding the nuances of rendezvous can add depth to your comprehension of English texts and conversations, especially those that involve plots of intrigue, romance, or mystery. We hope this exploration of the term rendezvous, meeting, has been enlightening and will enrich your English vocabulary. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the stories, cultures, and emotions they convey. Rendezvous is a perfect example of how a simple term can open up a world of nuanced meanings. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to our next linguistic adventure together. Happy learning!